Today we're going to be making delicious green jackfruit curry, also known as Echor Chingri. I chose this dish because I tried this dish a few times and I liked it a lot. So I decided to make this dish. For the star ingredient, we have green jackfruit, and I got the green jackfruit from a can. But you can buy it fresh and cut it into cubes like this, but it takes a longer time. And then we have tomato paste, onion, potatoes, shrimp, chole, and oil. For the spices we need fenugreek powder or methi powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili masala, or turmeric powder, and garam masala. What I made paste of is coriander seeds, red chilies, garlic, and ginger. Don't forget the salt to taste. The ingredients that you need to temper in hot oil are cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, chilies, cardamoms, and cloves. Now I'm going to be frying the shrimp. You'll need 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of shrimp, and then you need half teaspoon of chili powder and turmeric powder. And you'll need some salt. Half teaspoon of salt. I just love shrimp. I can put shrimp into anything, but it goes really well with green jackfruit. Now let's fry the potatoes. You need to make sure you use the oil as you did before when you were frying the shrimp. You'll need 2 cut potatoes, and you have to cut them into cubes. Quarter teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoons of turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now since we fried the potato and shrimp, let's get on to the fun part. Use the same oil as you did before and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And make sure the oil is hot and ready. Then add the tempering ingredients and lower the heat so the ingredients don't burn. Stir the ingredients for 10 to 15 seconds. Wow, the aroma is so good. I think it's time to add the onion. Let's keep stirring. I've been frying the ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes, and now the onions are translucent. And I'm going to be adding the 2 teaspoons of the ginger garlic paste. Wow, it smells so good. I feel hungry already. Now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of the tomato paste, the green jackfruit, and the potatoes and shrimp that you fried. Now let's mix it. Mix the spices into the mixture. Mix all the dry spices with everything, so every bite you take has a flavorful punch. Stir it for 5 to 6 minutes and add 1/4 cup water and close the lid and let it simmer for another 5 to 6 minutes. Looks like our curry is ready. To finish it off, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let's turn off the heat. Wow, doesn't the finished product look so good? I'm already hungry. The curry goes well with bread or rice. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the notification bell. Bye!